Hi everyone, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today I'm making delicious sweet potato flatbread, so stay tuned. In a large bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to mix this up. If you don't have whole wheat flour, you can always just use 3 cups of all-purpose flour instead. This is 1 cup of sweet potato that I've already boiled until soft and then mashed. So I'm going to mix the sweet potato into the flour mixture. So it's very important that the sweet potato is either hot or at least quite warm when you add it into the flour mixture, because it'll make it easier to mix together. Alright, I have to use my hands now to make sure that I mix in the sweet potato thoroughly into the flour. This dough is going to be pretty soft, so you have to make sure that you flour your counter and your rolling pin really well so that it doesn't stick too much. Okay, so I've rolled the dough into a ball and it's ready to be rolled out. I'm flouring my surface and I'm leaving some of the flour at the side just in case I need some more. I'm rolling the dough lightly in some of the flour. And then I'm cutting the dough into 6 pieces. And as you can see, I even added some flour to my knife. So I'm taking one of the pieces, rolling it into a ball, and then flattening it a bit with the palm of my hand. Then I flour my rolling pin and roll out the dough. Because it's sticking, I'm going to use my spatula to try to peel it off the counter. Adding the sweet potato makes this flatbread have an amazing taste that goes really well with all kinds of dishes. I'm rolling lightly, and much better. As you can see, I had much better luck with the second ball of dough. Okay, so now the 6 flatbreads are ready to be fried. I have my pan on medium-low heat and I'm using coconut oil here because I like the flavor it gives to food. I'm just using a brush here to brush off some of the excess flour. This is going to fry for about 1 minute on each side. You want it to have those really nice brown speckles and you know it's done. We've had these with curry chicken and even used them for wraps with chicken strips, cheese, and lettuce. I've made quite a few of these because we'll have some tonight with some chickpeas, and then I'll freeze some in freezer bags for another day. The texture is nice and crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Thanks so much for watching and happy cooking!